kasama ito nga ipaloyak mo ito, kami kasi nabayag kami siya inundan na niya almost 16 years. Anyway, just would like to greet each and every one of you a happy Indigenous Peoples Month. It always starts in October, the entire month of October. And this month's celebration, the theme is nurturing, honoring, and valuing our indigenous peoples and our indigenous knowledge. It's befitting, especially now that we are emphasizing on the importance at Dagijay contribution, Dagijay Cordillerans, insofar as protecting our environment, at the same time how to handing down the cultures and traditions from one generation to another. So, katanga aldaw kat laglagipon tayo, dagijay important nga legacy na ito, dagijay elders tayo kanya tayo, dagijay idi nga legacy da, not only the past legacy, but ito yung natapang legacy da, and the sumarsaruno pa yung legacy. So to each and every one of you, happy Indigenous Peoples Month, and I wish you all a happy and pleasant weekend. God bless you all.